Yun. What's up mga kakusina? Andito tayo sa ano no? Sa Burjuman. Ano to, Ming? Yun, Burjuman Street Food Festival. Dito pala yun. So hindi ko alam kung ano meron dito. First time ko itong mapupuntahan. Ayun, Burjuman Street Food.
Just write your good name. It's a free of cost. Company of celebration gift voucher. No need to pay. Only write your good name.
Sorry, for what is
This
this?
is the company of celebration gift voucher to today all customer. Okay. No need to pay anything. Just only fill up and drop for the draw. Yeah. Good price. Just sticks of it.
So free, we will eat here like this, free?
After that you will get some price. For it's not for eating. It's
okay.
for the draw, raffle draw. Okay. Just your name, number, and drop box is there. Yeah. Come take some.
Okay. So yun mga ayos, meron pa palang mga ganitong ano.
Bayaran yan.
So no payment for this?
Yeah, no payment. It's
No payment. Okay. So yun, sign up lang ako dito.
Transport. Okay.
Okay. Mga kayis. So, lumabas na kami roon. Ano pala yun? Ang daming yung mga kainan, kaya lang walang maupuan. Yun ang problema sa ganun. So, yun. Shout out. Ikot-ikot lang tayo.